Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the extreme makeover I did for my desk area for college at home. I know a lot of you are doing the same thing. Just know I'm in the same boat. I understand it can be challenging, but I've also realized that there are so many benefits to it, and actually it hasn't been as hard as I thought it would be. So I'm actually going into my spring semester of college, and I just wanted to revamp my space and make it just more homey, more comforting, just make me happy, because I know sometimes it can be like, oh my gosh, I'm home, like I want to be in a dorm or I want to be somewhere else. I definitely understand that, but I just took the dorm to my room. So I just kind of mixed my bohemian and modern style, added a lot of plants, just things that make me happy. So I hope this video is inspiring. I've been anticipating this video for a really long time, so I'm super happy I get to share it with you guys today. But yeah, I just hope it's inspiring and that you will want to do the same thing for your space and just make it your own style and just get creative with it. So let's get into decorating. So this is definitely the fun part because I get to start decorating. My first tip would be to figure out what's your color scheme. Do you like more bright colors or do you like more neutral? And for me, I definitely like the neutral. I love bohemian modern kind of style. So you'll definitely see, you know, the browns and the tans and that kind of thing. But I also like to add greenery for color. I also love to add blush. You'll definitely see that. Gold and rose gold. Those types of things will give a pop of color, but it's not too overpowering. So the thing that I have right now already is just a lot of plant holders. That plant right there is just nailed to the wall. And then I have some shelves and then just stuff like that. So I'm actually gonna just get into it and you'll see me start to put everything together. And then if I want to talk about a certain item, then I will just tell you about it. So the first thing that I'm going to work on is this top shelf, and I really want something that stands out. So this piece of artwork is definitely something that I absolutely love. I got this, I think, 2 Christmases ago. I'll probably have it linked down below. I kind of forget where it's from. I want to say Amazon, but I could be wrong, but I'll definitely find it, or a similar one. You can also find these on, oh, this might be from Etsy. This might be from Etsy. But anyway, I really like how it's kind of that neutral blush kind of color. That's definitely one of the types of colors that I want to pop in this kind of office space. So yeah, I just really like this. It's definitely going to stand out, and yeah, I think it'll be really pretty with some succulents, some greenery. So yeah, let's start decorating the top shelf. Now we're on to the second shelf, and what I want to do for this shelf is just put a collection of succulents. I'm going to definitely use this. I love this natural kind of orangey color. It's definitely going to tie in with the rose gold accents that I'm going to have, which you'll later see. So yeah, I just really like this succulent, and I can't wait to just add a bunch of plants together and just make a cute collection. So this item I love so much. I think this might have been from Etsy too. It's just a really cool macrame, I think that's what you call them. I think this just really ties into my bohemian style. Some pieces are more modern, but I like to put the two together and just make something that is just really creative and speaks to kind of both styles. So this is definitely something that will tie into my bohemian theme. And so I'm gonna put this right on this hook right here. And yeah, I just like how it looks, and I like how it just gives that cool bohemian vibe. So this is my favorite items. I got this off Amazon. It's just this gold mirror box. And you're probably thinking, what are you gonna do with that? Are you gonna display jewelry? You know, like, what are you gonna do with it? And I'm sure this is for jewelry, but the reason why I got it is because I wanted to put scissors and my pens, my flashcards, stapler, tape, all in this box, instead of putting it right on my desk. Because usually when you put it on your desk, it can instantly look like clutter. So I was like, well, why not display, you know, my scissors and my tape and stuff like that? And so this box is gonna be really useful. I love how it's gold, and I think it's gonna tie into the space really nicely. So now that we're done with the shelves and we're done with the top of the desk, now I'm going to start below. And what I'm going to do here is just put a basket full of my school supplies. So, you know, a compartment where I can put my pens and my pencils, binders, notebooks, just stuff like that. I think it looks nice if I just put it down there. My printer is also going to go down here, and maybe just a few other things to make it somewhat cute. It's probably not the most exciting thing, but you know, the goal for the space is to make it look organized and cute and functional. So let's go start on the bottom. So this is the basket I'm going to use. Honestly, I was actually just at Michael's, and they had just a whole selection of baskets on sale. They were so cheap, and so you can honestly, you know, find baskets like this, you know, anywhere. But what I'm gonna do, just like I said, is just put my school supplies in here. So I have a binder and then just a couple of notebooks. I love this brown notebook. I recently got this from Marshall's, and it was only like $7. And so, you know, just making it cute like that, I think it will just really tie everything together. Actually kind of a funny story, but for my senior year of high school, they were doing a lot of like prizes and giveaways and stuff like that, and I actually won a printer, and I haven't opened it yet because I didn't know when I'd be able to go down, and you know, months ago I didn't know if I would go down in the spring or not, so I never opened it. But now that I know that I'm gonna be home, I was like, okay, I have to open it, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. So I'm gonna set that up now and just put that down below here. So I'm super excited. So I think I'm done decorating the whole space, and now I'm just going to show you a closer look of everything.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, keep losing sleep while driving.
So starting in this corner, I just have this hanging shelf. You can find these on Etsy, at Target, at Urban, those type of places. And on the shelf, I just have a pot and plant from IKEA. So on this first shelf, I just have 3 little vases with some fake flowers. Not sure where those are from. They were kind of just like leftover decorations that I found in the cabinet, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this. That little succulent is from IKEA. Those 2 perfume bottles are from Urban. I just like the way they look. They're empty, but I thought they looked cute there. And then just the print that I showed you guys earlier on. Now coming to the second shelf, I just have an arrangement of plants. Not sure where those are all from, but like I said, I'll just link it down below. The little Grace artwork, and then just some greenery. And then over here, I just have that macrame, little bohemian, little small tapestry. And then up here, I just have a little shelf with a fake flower. So right here, I just have that cute little plant. I think it's, oh my gosh, I love this plant so much. I found this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was like, are you kidding me? That is so cute. Then right here, I just have this little file holder. It's gold, it's from Michael's. I think it's super cute. And then I just have some files or folders in there. And I found those at Target, I believe. Super cute. Yeah, just love the gold accents. Now coming down to the top of my desk, I just have this plant right here. I love this plant. I think it's from Target. I just like how, you know, it kind of looks real, so super cute. And then this candle on this cute little tray, and then a little picture frame. Love how the gold accents correspond with each other. Then I just have my laptop, and then over here is what I was super excited about because I love this piece so much. This is from Amazon, have some blue light glasses here, and then all this rose gold stuff was actually in a set, and it was gifted to me, and yeah, I just love it so much. It's super cute. Love the gold with the rose gold. I think it's super cute. And then I just have some flashcards back there. So on the bottom, I just have a trash can over there, and then a basket just filled with some notebooks, my agenda planner. Really gotta clean that because it's really gross. It has a lot of like marks on it. And then just a little kind of pencil case that I think is really cute. And then I just have this globe. This is from Michael's, and it was on sale. So yeah, I think it's super cute, and it kind of just ties in with, I don't even know. I just think when I think of like office spaces, I always think of globes. I don't know why. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to have this. And it's gold, so it's perfect. And then I have the printer, which I'm super excited about. It's bigger than I thought it would be, but yeah, I'm super excited to use this, so I can't wait. So the last thing is this chair. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. It's actually supposed to go downstairs, but I just had to put it up here just for now because the chair I was using was super uncomfortable. So I actually need to go get a desk chair. This is like a dining room chair, so it's not practical, but I do think it's really cute, and I really wish it was a desk chair. But yeah, we'll just see how long I use it for, but I'm pretty sure I need to make a trip to Staples and go get an actual desk chair. So yeah, so this is just an overview of everything. I think it came together quite nicely. I hope you guys like it. Definitely my aesthetic, definitely with the modern and bohemian styles. I really like putting those two together.
Casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
So this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys were inspired. Whether you're at a dorm or you're at home like I am, I just hope I inspired you to, you know, revamp your space or, you know, put things up that make you happy. And for me, that's definitely succulents and plants. I have a lot of greenery going on here, but it's what makes me smile. And I think that's really important to, you know, put the things up that make you happy. So hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.